Hey guys, I welcome you all to the Knowledge Booster channel. Recently, a big news has come out that US Senate has passed a bill to delist the Chinese companies from the US Stock Exchange. And we all know that the US Stock Exchange is biggest in the world, like New York Stock Exchange, Nasdaq Stock Exchange, and maybe you all have heard about that. So there are many reasons for passing this bill. So one by one I am going to tell you about them, about all these points. So the first reason is that all these Chinese are trying to maintain their supremacy in each and every sector, whether it is telecommunication, whether it is artificial intelligence or even automatic driving. The next point is that these companies are continuously listing them in the US Stock Exchange. They are selling their shares from which they are earning a huge amount of profits in US dollars. Basically, they are picking up the huge amount of US dollars from the US markets. And next, that these Chinese companies are trying to increase their stake in multinational companies of the world, take opportunistic takeovers. Now, opportunistic takeovers means that they are investing a lot in these multinationals, and suddenly, when they will pick out their money from these companies, all the multinationals will suffer from a huge losses. So, this bill is most important. And under this bill, US retail investors will be prevented from the fraud Chinese companies or shell companies of China. Before investing in them, they all will be able to know that whether these are fraud companies or genuine. And under this bill, the Chinese companies which don't want to come under the US accounting and auditing rules, the US Stock Exchange will delist those Chinese companies. So it is very important from this aspect, and it is a very strong step taken by the US. By seeing this step, India has also motivated, and now Indian government has also taken this step to keep check on the foreign portfolio investments which are coming from China or even Hong Kong, because Hong Kong is an autonomous region of mainland China, to prevent the Indian companies from the opportunistic takeovers. So guys, that's all for today. Please like, subscribe and comment for this video to get more updates.